Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit Android 8.0 Oreo system, special for Skoda Fabia 2015 to 2017 years. Okay, here's the box. Let me do the unbox review. Open the package. You can check head unit with good condition. Single DIN. Okay, let me introduce honey set first. Okay, here's the harness with compass box. You can check this support original USB. This original USB port. Okay, and camera input. Okay, and this AUX input left and right. It's with compass box. Okay, you can check. This is a connector, plug and play special for Skoda Fabia. You can check. Okay, it comes with GPS antenna. The factory GPS doesn't work because the unit comes with this is the install key. Okay, it's a radio antenna. Okay, USB cable, 2 USB cable with external microphone. The head unit built in the microphone. It's the external microphone. AUX cable. Okay, you can check this video input. RCA type. Okay, AUX left and right. It's audio cable. You can check this subwoofer. Okay, and video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, and the audio cable, rear and front, left and right. Okay, this camera input. Okay, let me show the head unit. We open the plastic can check this driver agent. Okay, this is special head unit. Very nice design. You can check, very nice. Really nice. Let me check. You can check the back side. It's the right side. Okay, check the okay, you can check this GPS antenna port, fuse and power connector. This connectors, Wi-Fi antenna, radio port. Okay. You can check the front panel. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Its button lights were on because I connected the light wire and please take out this screw protector. Okay. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Okay, let me show. You can check very fast response because it's an octa-core PX5. You can install wallpaper from installer. This button, back button, opens it and sets the wallpaper home screen. You can check already installed. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and system. You can check model is PX5, Android version 8.0 Oreo. Okay. And let me check the. You can change this button color. Choose gray, blue, orange, any color you can adjust this button. Okay, let me show this GPS SD card slot. You can check GPS and SD card slot. Okay, this home button. It's radio and volume. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.